Hey Scandal Squad, welcome to the Celebrity Scandalous group chat. Please hit that like button while we get into the mess because these celebrities are scandalous. So Russell Simmons' accuser, Drew Dixon, has subpoenaed Oprah Winfrey, dragging her into the legal drama. People have been pointing fingers at Oprah for a minute, saying she was closely aligned to a lot of the male figures being accused in the Me Too movement. They have said while she may have not done anything necessarily, she's complicit by association. I don't know. What do y'all think about that? But the plot thickens. It seems that now Oprah has a huge part to say in all of this legal drama, and they're asking her to testify. So let's get into the mess. So Drew Dixon, one of the women that accused Russell Simmons of physically violating her, she has subpoenaed Oprah to testify in the case that she has against Russell Simmons. She's demanding that Oprah produce evidence to support her allegations. In 2017, former Def Jam executive Dixon accused Russell Simmons in a New York Times article of assaulting her in his apartment in 1995. She went on to sue him later in 2024, claiming that he defamed her in a 2023 interview by casting doubt on her claims, basically saying she was lying. In a sit-down interview with Graham Bessinger, Russell said, "Could someone want notoriety in the market where people thirst for fame?" He also said, "I've never been forceful in any of my relationships," and that all his relationships had been consensual. And we giving a side eye to that, Russell. That's a lie, in our opinion now. We don't know it to be a fact, but boy, bye, please. She's also suing over Simmons' remarks about Winfrey's part in the scandal. He said in the Bessinger interview that the OWN star had dropped out of producing a documentary on the record, which addressed a number of women's accusations against Simmons because she found inconsistencies in their allegations and claimed that Winfrey had recordings of conversations with accusers that revealed those alleged inconsistencies. After she quit the project, Winfrey told the New York Times that she still believed Dixon, but the paper wrote that she also thought there were inconsistencies in her account that the film had not adequately addressed. The Times added that the filmmakers say they have voluminous research files corroborating all the women's accounts. Now, Page Six has learned that Dixon's attorney has subpoenaed Oprah Winfrey. A subpoena to Winfrey from Dixon's lawyers, seen by Page Six, reads, "You are hereby commanded to produce the books, records, papers, data, documents, evidence, writings, and all other tangible things as described more fully in the attached Schedule A at Boyes, Schiller, Flexner, LLP," that's the law firm, in New York, or electronically to undersigned counsel on or about March 18, 2025. It's unclear what assets exactly were called for in the attachment or whether Winfrey complied with the demand or had her lawyer fight the subpoena. Those things are still unknown at this point. The subpoena goes on. You, Miss Oprah, yes you ma'am, are further commanded to appear and attend before a notary public or other authorized person by law to administer oaths at any recessed or adjourned date, to testify and give evidence as a witness on an examination before trial by deposition upon oral questions. It adds, this deposition may be videotaped and will continue from day to day until complete. Simmons has strenuously denied any wrongdoings, and he has never been arrested or charged with a crime. Well, yeah, I mean, Simmons has pretty much run off the volley, so he may not be arrested for a minute unless he brings his little butt back over here. So just the fact that he has not been arrested don't mean ish, and we know that. Dixon's attorneys and reps for Winfrey didn't respond to our request for comment because they figure it's none of your goddamn business. Okay, that's what I'm thinking. No, I'm just kidding. Dixon's attorneys and reps for Winfrey both have not responded to requests for comment. So y'all, this is a lot of mess, and I mean, it's interesting because Russell Simmons is not here, so I don't know how this case is going to proceed. I mean, clearly he's out of the country, and it sounds like it's a civil case, so there would not necessarily be an arrest made, but this is very interesting. We'll keep watching. But I think the biggest part is Oprah is finally being called into some of this scandal, because people have been saying that she was aligned to and affiliated, close proximity to Diddy and all of these things. So now Oprah has finally entered the group chat. Y'all get in the comments and let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.